go outside. Come on. Come. Let's go outside. Graham, come. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Would you like some cucumber? I happen to have some here. Perhaps you'd like some of this. He's thinking about it. Maybe, maybe not. He wants it. You want to go outside? Hmm? Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm not sure what he wants. Okay, he wants the cucumber. Very good. All right, enjoy your cucumber, buddy. He may be 14, but he knows what he likes. When he finally figures it out, at least, right? Isn't that right, buddy? You at least gotta figure it out first. It's a dog's nose view right there. Now we'll go for the drone shot. Rotate the drone around. Bring it down on the other side. It's a very quiet drone. Oh, going back up again. He's almost done. Almost. All right. Now are you ready to go outside? Come on. Let's go, bud. Come on. Come on. Graham, come. Come on. Come on, Graham. Come on. It would appear the black tape I put to give him a visual of where the edge is actually presented a barrier to him. Let's see if we can coerce him in that direction. Go on, it's okay, go. Oh, he's genuinely scared. There you go. Come here. Come on, Graham. Go outside. Wow. I really thought that tape would help. It has not helped. Ooh, a lizard. Look at that guy. See how close close we can get before he runs away. Oh, there he goes. Where's he off to? It's a lovely day today. Finally got the hot tub fixed, had a leak in it. Although I call it the cold tub because we have no heater for it. Check out what it looked like when we were filling it. Pretty wild, huh? It was quite interesting to watch. Oh, look at that, he laid down out there in the grass. See, that's what I like to see. I like to see him enjoying the sun. So, he looks like he's comfortable. And here comes the airplane. Right in front of the sun. All right, we'll end it on that note. Thanks for watching.